Hello Garden Tube. Today I'm going to plant some veggies in this garden right here. I've had good luck with carrots and peas. So that's what, first I'm going to look in here, see what I got. I think the bottom one's flowers and the top one is veggies. But full disclosure, as you see on the top there, it's dented in because don't leave these in the sun. These are craft dealies, but I use them for my seeds. Oops. So I have all my different seeds in here. So I'll be looking through those to decide what I want to plant in here. But don't leave these things out in the sun. They're not made for that. I'm just lazy. So obviously now I need to get a new one. Alright. You know the drill. Enjoy. Okay, so I've chosen all of these, but I don't know if I'll be able to fit all of these. But what I got is some basil, my own seeds, some Snackabelle bell peppers of my own, some cucumbers, some radishes. We got the Oregon sugar pods, the sugar snaps, and the snow peas. Those are my favorite for stir fry. Then I have some more sweet peppers and some lettuces, and then some carrots, and finally some onions. So we'll see what we can fit in there. Here's what I think I'm gonna do. So I got lettuces here, some basil there, radishes here, onions there, bell peppers there, cucumber back there, 3 peas, and then the carrots in the middle. We'll see how it goes. Right now I'm going to gently water everything in. And that's that. So we'll see how all those do. Thanks for watching this episode with me, the Inconsistent Gardener. and I'll see you next time.